Stellenbosch University Botanical Garden is important for nature conservation, especially in the Western Cape, which is where we're situated, because the Western Cape, or the Cape region in general, is extremely diverse in terms of plants. We have one of the most diverse floras in the entire world, but unfortunately we also have one of the most threatened floras in the entire world, and species are currently facing a lot of threats, and a lot of things can go extinct in the next 10 or 20 years if we don't intervene. And a lot of that is the work of botanical gardens like us, in the sense that plants need to be collected and grown so that they can be put back into nature, and that is really important in botanical gardens that have the expertise and the knowledge to do that. So plants are important in ecosystems for various reasons. Different plants can play different roles, but in the end, everything in an ecosystem, plants, fungi, animals, everything fits together. We like to use this analogy of a wall in a house where each brick plays a role, and it's a small role, but if you remove one brick, the wall will probably still be fine, but as you remove more and more bricks, the wall becomes less, it has less structural integrity, and eventually it'll collapse. And that's what happens to ecosystems as well. We can lose a plant species and it may not have such a big impact, but as more and more plants or animals or fungi disappear, eventually the system can't function anymore. There are some plants that have more specific functions, or at least ones that we can recognize as humans, because all plants have functions, we might just not know what they are. So hierdie is Agathosma orbicularis, dis die wetenskaplike naam, dis 'n soort boegoe. Daar is net een populasie oor van hierdie spesies in die wêreld, en daai populasie is in 'n plek waar hy heel moontlik kan uitsterf as gevolg van bedreigings in die area. Ons het so 'n paar jaar terug van die hele populasie steggies geneem, en al hierdie plante is nou van daai populasie, en die rede hoekom hierdie belangrik is soos wat julle kan sien, daar is baie plante hier en hulle verteenwoordig die genetiese diversiteit van daai hele populasie, en dis regtig belangrik om die genetiese diversiteit te verteenwoordig. Daai diversiteit is nodig vir plante en vir enige organisme om te kan reageer op bedreigings. Dit gee hulle 'n bietjie van 'n versekering. So ek sal gelukkig wees as my nalatenskap by hierdie botaniese tuin is dat in my tyd hier ons die versamelings wat bydra tot bewaring van Kaapse plantspesies, as dit baie kon groei, en as ek kan sien hopelik dat party van hulle dalk al begin terug in die veld gesit word. Maar vir my sal dit regtig die belangrikste wees om net te sien daar is 'n regte verskil wat gemaak word in plantspesies, maar ook met die mense waarmee ons werk, want een ding wat ek dink baie belangrik is om te onthou is dat niks van hierdie werk alleen gedoen kan word nie. So ek dink daai twee goed is vir my die belangrikste.